Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a focus on the Best Bloom Plus 3000 LED grow light. Now, before we get started, let's clarify one thing. This isn't just any ordinary grow light. It's a game changer for indoor growers looking to maximize their harvests. Let's talk specs. The Best Bloom Plus 3000 boasts a powerful 2000 watts of LED lighting, providing full spectrum coverage for both vegetative and flowering stages of plant growth. What does that mean for you? Well, it means healthier plants, faster growth, and ultimately, bigger yields. Plus, with its 3x3 foot coverage area, this light is perfect for growers looking to maximize their space. But here's the kicker. Despite its impressive power, the Best Bloom Plus 3000 is incredibly energy efficient. Thanks to its advanced SMD LEDs and reflector technology, this light consumes only 200 watts of power, saving you money on your electricity bill without sacrificing performance. And let's not forget about durability. With multiple high-speed mute fans and upgraded aluminum radiators, this light is built to last. Plus, its low operating temperature means your plants won't be at risk of heat damage, allowing for longer lighting times and healthier growth. So there you have it, folks. If you're serious about indoor gardening and want the best possible results, look no further than the Best Bloom Plus 3000 LED grow light. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy growing!